Good morning, students. We are reading the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Today we will discuss about the half-life. Okay. First of all, we understand half-life period of a reaction. It can be defined as the time during which the concentration of the reactant is reduced to half of its original concentration. जो आपने reactant लिया कितने समय के बाद वो उसका अमाउंट आपका हाफ हो जाता है, जो ओरिजिनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, जो इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है. लेट अस सपोज नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द हाफ लाइफ पीरियड फॉर ए जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ए चेंज इनटू प्रोडक्ट एंड द रेट कांस्टेंट के इक्वल टू ए नॉट माइनस ए डिवाइडेड बाय टी. इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेज वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. नाउ एट टाइम टी equal to t half and a equal to initial concentration a naught divided by 2. Okay, now putting the value of t and a in equation 1. Okay, k equal to a naught minus a naught divided by 2 divided by t half. Okay, k equal to a naught divided by 2, okay, into t half. Okay, now you can write t half because we have to find out half life. Okay, then t half equal to a naught divided by 2k. This is the final equation. Okay, and that is the t half for a zero order reaction. T half for zero order reaction. And we can say it is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants and inversely proportional to the rate constant. Okay, now we will see about the half-life period for second order reaction. First order reaction. First order reaction. Okay, half life period for is first order reaction. First of all, we know the equation t equal to 2.303 divided by k log a naught divided by a. This is the equation. Okay, this equation, from this equation we will calculate half life. Okay, now in similar case a equal to a naught divided by 2 and t equal to t half. Okay, now put the value equation t half equal to, because in equation t equal to 2.303 divided by k into log a naught divided by a, we have discussed this equation. Now putting the value 2.303 by k log a naught divided by a naught divided by 2. Now 2.303 by K, it will be log 2. Okay, log 2. Now 2.303 into the log 2 value, 0.3010 divided by K, T half. Okay, now T half equal to 0.693 by K. I repeat, 0.693 by K. Okay, this is the final equation, and this is the half-life period for a first order reaction, and it will be the independent of the initial concentration of the reactant. Okay, in previous case it is dependent upon the concentration of the reactant, because it is directly proportional. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will calculate half-life period for a second order reaction, and so many things. Okay, thank you.